The future of flight demands greater efficiency, interconnectivity, and accessibility for all, met with the challenges of improved sustainability and safety, and the ever-changing regulatory concerns. With all of this to consider, the need for specialist management skills is growing every day. The Aviation Management Executive MSc at City St George's, University of London is approved by the Royal Aeronautical Society to develop the next wave of leaders in the aviation industry, giving you the expertise, confidence, and marketability to succeed in executive management positions. Informed by industry leaders offering hands-on experience at City St George's state-of-the-art facilities in London, enabling you to make effective uses of innovations in AI and simulation. With a vital focus on sustainability and a drive towards incorporating alternative fuels, green operations, electric and hydrogen aircrafts, whilst also equipping the leaders of tomorrow with important aviation expertise across topics such as financial management, human resources, and executive leadership, so that you'll have all the credentials you need to excel in your field. With full and part-time options available and modules block taught over consecutive days, you also have the opportunity to upskill flexibly around the commitments of your current role, all the while working towards the next leap forward in your professional career. Our program offers 3 tailored pathway options which will determine your specialization in the operations. Airline and Airport Management, Air Safety Management, or Aircraft Maintenance Management, diversifying your skill set to truly stand out. You'll become part of a global network of aviation peers by collaborating with like-minded professionals, unlocking a range of opportunities now and in the future. The future of aviation awaits your leadership.